What's going on? What's going on? Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding, y'all. Let me know how we sounding. We got a few setups we're going to be looking for right now. We're going to be breaking that stuff down in a little bit. We're just going to wait to see some more people hop up in here. Markets went crazy yesterday, too. The signal was kind of bugged out because of the weather. I don't know where y'all at, but it stormed again last night, too. It just stopped. It stopped like about maybe an hour and a half ago. I'm talking about it was raining, hailing. I got a tree that got knocked down in the front. Some of the neighbors got trees knocked down. One of the neighbors got a tree that fell in their car. Luckily, mine fell into a street. You know, it sucks because it'd be a bunch of birds that be staying up in there, so I don't know what they're going to be doing now. That thing got completely derooted. It was craziness. It was thunder. I thought my windows was about to break. It was crazy. I know the hurricane's been crazy on, the coast and the ocean and stuff too. So hopefully everybody's doing good out there. It's Friday though. Went live with the members during the New York news. We broke some stuff down. So members, make sure to watch the recording if y'all was not in it live or if y'all missed it. Dropped a new video for y'all the other day as well. Make sure to check that out if y'all haven't already. And y'all already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When you charge, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. We're going to be looking for more possible EN buys. We're going to be looking at possible GJ sells, as well as possible gold and GU sells. And NAS sells as well. Can't forget about NAS. 15 NAS sells as well. Our London session just started. So as far as news today, we have 8:30 USD news, and that's pretty much it in the week. Again, the month ends like on Tuesday next week, and we have a bunch of, again, important high impact news. Like I always say, the first week and last week of the month, this is the last week, next week the first week, is when we have usually the most news reports, as well as adjustments going on in the markets, right? Either it's retracements, consolidation cycles begin or end, or we see trend changes, right? Perfect example of that is when we look at this month. We look at this month, literally, this was July 1st right here. We consolidated for about a week and a half, and then the trend changed, and that's when the uptrend began, right? We see the same thing. Hold on one second. Let's see what these charts are talking about. You see the same thing, when we look at EN. We go to the beginning of the month, which was right here. Again, price was in a downtrend in June. We literally caught the beginning of the reversal into the uptrend at the literal beginning. And that thing's been flying all month. We broke these levels. So we're really going to see something interesting next month. It's been a great month so far, a great year, honestly. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Those that just jumped into the stream, we have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free Signal free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We got a few subs we're looking at. Be sure to like the live. Be sure to hop up in here. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,600 subscribers. We can get to that easily. About to see if we can hold this level as resistance. If GJ can hold 197.70 as a resistance, we can look for sales going down to 197.15, possibly back down to 196. That's what we're going to be looking for right here. New 5-minute just popped up. What's going on, JD? I see you up in here. We ain't hopping nothing yet. We got a few setups right now. Did you get into that NAS or gold play? That thing went crazy yesterday after the live. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. Just leaving lounge. That's what's up. I think it's gonna be busy for you tonight and this weekend. maybe unless the weather go crazy. How was it for you last night? The weather was, man. We had trees. I was just telling people at the beginning of the live, we had trees falling in the entire neighborhood. Like every other house had a tree fall down. Luckily, mine went into the street. One of my neighbors, a couple houses down, there's one on top of their car. But they're talking about they're just gonna call insurance in the morning. So I was like, "Oh, you straight then? Don't even trip about it. They ain't tripping about it at all." Yeah, it was crazy last night. Nah, you funny, bro. That shit ain't funny, but it's funny. That shit was crazy. I was taking a nap. That shit woke me up. My windows was rattling. I thought that shit was about to shatter. I was like, damn. And I heard a thud. I was like, what is that? And then I go outside. I was like, damn, poor birds, because the birds love that tree in the front of my house. I'm like, I hope they weren't in there. But usually birds know when it's raining, they be dipping. So hopefully they dip before that shit happened because I don't know where they're gonna stay no more. I got some other trees, but that was their favorite one. I'm talking about the whole roots came out. Ain't no just putting dirt back on top of it. There's somebody to come get her this weekend though. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. Want to give me charts? Drop them in the chat. I'm not into anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free student free Telegram. We're looking at possible gold and GU sales as well as possible NAS sales. Just waiting for volume to kick up on those. Wouldn't be too shocked, surprised if it just chills before until the news pops off, because we do got 8:30 news. Gonna be going live with the members during that today. Went live with the members yesterday during the news event as well. But yeah, we're just waiting for retest and retracements right now. Just about the new video for y'all the other day. I believe it was Wednesday. If y'all have not checked that out yet, make sure to check that out. We're gonna be looking for buys on Ian, but it's been flying all week. So we're waiting to see if it's going to retrace because it did a big push yesterday as well. But not really necessarily yesterday. Kind of a little bit yesterday. I was really going into the whole day, I guess. Anyway, so we're going to be looking for if it rejects resistance on which it is. We're going to look for a retracement right down to 83.80. If we call this a support, we're going to look for buys going back up to 84.40. Or if it can break this or hold that support, we're just going to look for buys going up to 84.85, possibly 85.40. We're looking for buys nonetheless. It's going to have to break a few levels before we consider going for sells. Then we're going to be looking for continuing GE buys as well. We're going to be looking to see if it can break this resistance level at 96.50 and hold that as support. If it can, we're going to look for buys going back up to 9,700, possibly 97.80. GJ rejected that level, so we're simply just not going to enter yet. It's that simple. If it fails to hold, we just don't enter yet. We wait to see if it's going to try to break back below again, or we just go into another chart and look for another setup. We got goals to hold in this level as resistance, but again, it's just been chilling here for the past few hours. No volume really. Waiting for volume to kick in, but if it can continue to hold 23.72 as resistance, we can look for sales going back down to 23.55 and possibly down to 23.38. Yeah, price just chilling right now. You want to see your thing start to shaking a little bit. Got a new 5 minute about to start in about 2 minutes. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at your charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. If y'all checked out this week's Sunday chart analysis, majority of the charts have been going exactly as projected, even though it is Friday. So just check it out out of curiosity, just to see what price was looking like Sunday night, what I was saying, what we was looking for, the price points, all that good stuff, and then compare it to what it looks like right now. Even though Friday is just beginning, still check out, see how it's been going since yesterday. Now, as far as how we did last week, we went 4-2 last week. The week before that, we went 6-0. And then the first week of July, we went 3-0. As far as how we ended June, just like y'all see on your screen, we ended that 13-3, giving us an 81% win rate. You can see this by going to July 1st. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of June. Again, at the beginning of every week on Sunday, we drop the Sunday chart analysis, going over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. Drop the link to the live every day. You can see all the trades, win, losses, all that stuff's posted. We recap the week at the end of every week, recap the month at the end of every month. You can see screenshots of the signals, screenshots of the entries. You can see student results, testimonials. As far as how we ended last quarter, if you scroll to July 2nd, you can see right here. I messed up on the chain, but April we went 16-4, catching 69,396 pips. May we went 15-4, catching 47,957. And then again last month, June, we went 13-3, catching 1,006 pips. And then the quarter 44-11, giving us an 80% win rate all 3 months combined. We caught a total 118,359 pips. So we've been killing it, killing it, killing it. Again, if you just follow these chains, it's going to take you just literally on a month-by-month basis, week-by-week basis. Right, you click right here. Where you see the recap of April. It's going to take you to, May is going to take you to the beginning of May, May 1st. You can scroll down and explore. But also, as you can see right here, this is how we did April. So you click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of April. Then you can scroll down. Everything is dated, timed, documented, and make none of this stuff up. And as far as how we ended quarter one, you can see this right here, 53-4, 93% win rate, 111,806 pips. So we've been consistent, averaging high 80, high 90% win rates on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis. So make sure to check all this stuff out, y'all. But again, right now we're looking for a few setups, but we're just waiting for volume and price to either hold these levels or retrace to the levels above or below them. All right, as we can see, besides GJ, everything else is showing very, very, very tiny candlesticks, a bunch of wicks, which is a sign of just lack of volume. So again, we're just chilling right now. But at the beginning of the New York session, we do have USD news at 8:30. Going to be going live with the members during that to see how that plays out, as well as going over the charts, answer questions, all that good stuff. Make sure to like the live as you'll hop up in here. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 5,000. Oh, yeah, we're almost at 5,000. I'm not 5,000, 2,600 subscribers. Also, combining the numbers together, we can get to that easily. Slowly but surely pushing down. Again, we're about to see if it can hold this level as support at 83.80. If it can, we're going to be looking for continued buys. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. All right, we're about to see if it's going to try to push down. Yeah, slowly retracing. Got a little bit more to go though. So I'm just gonna simply put this order up. Move that down. Got a new 15 about to pop up. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When with me, charts, drop in the chat. Yeah, price is chilling right now, but like we was talking about at the beginning of the stream, this ain't too much of a shock or surprise. Again, we do have an 8:30 high impact news popping off for the USD pairs. Gonna be going live with the members during that. Went live with the members yesterday during the news event as well. So members, make sure if y'all wasn't in it to watch the recording. I uploaded the recording in the channels for y'all yesterday. It's finally pushed down to this level. So we're going to see in the next 15 an hour if it can hold this as support. Again, if Euro New Zealand could hold 83.80 as support, we're going to be looking for buys going back up to 84.40 and possibly up to 84.80. All right, I'm going to also see if GU can break back below this level as well. If GU can hold 28.50 as resistance, we look for sales going to 28.30, possibly down to 2800. We're also going to look for possible gold and possible NAS sales as well. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody in the live that's been in since the beginning. Shout out to everybody in the live that's been in since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Dropped a video for y'all a couple of days ago. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to not waste the weekend. Y'all enjoy the weekend, but not waste it, because the market's only closed for like a day and a half, and then they're back open. All right, so definitely don't waste the weekend. Review your trades, all that good stuff. And yeah, we're going to be back at it at the same time next week. London session 3 a.m. EST.